Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is Pramod and this is another CompTIA Security Plus actual exam question series, and this part is also very helpful to pass the CompTIA Security Plus exam. So let's go to the questions, and this is the question. A company requires hard drives to be securely wiped before sending decommission system to recycling. So which of the following best describes this policy? Option A, enumeration. Option B, sanitization. Option C, destruction. Option D, inventory. And the correct answer for this question is option B, sanitization. And the explanation for this answer is the policy of securely wiping hard drives before decommissioning system is best described as sanitization. So sanitization refers to the process of securely erasing data from HDD, ensuring that it cannot be recovered by unauthorized individuals. This is the most accurate description for the given scenario where the company wants to wipe sensitive data before recycling. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option B, sanitization. So let's move to the next question. And the next question is, a systems administrator works for a local hospital and needs to ensure patient data is protected and secure. So which of the following data classifications should be used to secure patient data? Option A, private. Option B, critical. Option C, sensitive. Option D, public. And the correct answer for this question is option C, sensitive. So let's check the explanation. So sensitive data, this is the most appropriate classification for patient data as it refers to information that is highly confidential and requires strict protection due to its potential impact on individuals' privacy and well-being. Patient medical records, diagnosis, treatments, and personal information all fall under this category. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option C, sensitive. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, a US-based cloud hosting provider wants to expand its data centers to new international locations. So which of the following should the hosting provider consider first? Option A, local data protection regulations. Option B, risk from hackers visiting other countries. Option C, impacts to existing contextual obligations. Option D, time zone differences in log correlation. And the correct answer for this question is option A, local data protection regulations. So let's check the explanations. So when expanding internationally, a cloud hosting provider must prioritize compliance with local data protection regulations in each new jurisdiction. These regulations, like the European Union's Green General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) or Brazil's Lei General de Protector de Dados (LGPD), often have strict requirements regarding data collection, storage, processing, and transfer of personal data. Failure to comply can result in significant fines and legal persecutions. Therefore, understanding and adhering to local data protection laws is crucial before establishing data centers in new countries. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option A, local data protection regulations. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, which of the following would be the best way to block unknown programs from executing? Option A, access control list. Option B, application allow list. Option C, host-based firewall. Option D, DLP solution. And the correct answer for this question is option B, application allow list. And let's check the explanation. So application allow list, the security measures only permits pre-approved applications to run on a system, effectively blocking any unknown or unauthorized software from executing. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option B, application allow list. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, a company hired a consultant to perform an offensive security assessment covering penetration testing and social engineering. So which of the following teams will conduct this assessment activity? Option A, white. Option B, purple. Option C, blue. Option D, red. And the correct answer for this question is option D, red. So let's check the explanation for this answer. A red team is responsible for simulating attacks against an organization's systems to identify vulnerabilities. Penetration testing and social engineering are classic tactics used by red teams. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option D, red. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, a software development manager wants to ensure the authenticity of the code created by the company. So which of the following options is the most appropriate? Option A, testing input validation on the user input feeds. Option B, performing code signing on company developed software. Option C, performing static code analysis on the software. Option D, ensuring secure cookies are used. And the correct answer for this question is option B, performing code signing on company developed software. And the explanation for this answer is, so code signing involves applying a digital signature to software, which verifies the identity of the developer, the company in this case, and ensures that the code has not been altered or tampered with since it was signed. So this process provides strong assurance of both the authenticity and integrity of the software. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option B, performing code signing on company developed software. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, which of the following can be used to identify potential attacker activities without affecting production servers? Option A, Honeypot. Option B, video surveillance. Option C, zero trust. Option D, geofencing. And the correct answer for this question is option A, Honeypot. So let's check the explanation. A honeypot is a decoy system designed to attract and trap attackers, allowing you to monitor their activity without impacting real production servers. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option A, honeypot. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, during an investigation, an incident responses team attempts to understand the source of an incident. So which of the following incident response activities describe this process? Option A, analysis. Option B, lessons learned. Option C, detection. Option D, containment. And the correct answer for this question is option A, analysis. And analysis, this phase involves examining the evidence and data collected to determine how the incident occurred, its origin, and the impact it had. It focuses on understanding the root cause of this issue. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option A, analysis. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, a security practitioner completes a vulnerability assessment on a company's network and finds several vulnerabilities which the operations team remediates. So which of the following should be done next? Option A, conduct an audit. Option B, initiate a penetration test. Option C, rescan the network. Option D, submit a report. And the correct answer for this question is option C, rescan the network. So let's check the explanation. So the best action to take after the operations team remediate vulnerabilities discovered in a network assessment is to rescan the network to verify that the fixes have been implemented correctly and to new vulnerabilities have appeared. So rescanning, this step involves running the vulnerability scanner again to check if the previously identified vulnerabilities have been addressed and if any new issues have been emerged. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option C, rescan the network. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, an administrator was notified that a user logged in remotely after hours and copied large amounts of data to personal device. So which of the following best describe the user's activity? Option A, penetration testing. Option B, phishing campaign. Option C, external audit. Option D, insider trade. And the correct answer for this question is option D, insider threat. So let's check the explanation. So an insider threat refers to a security risk posed by someone within the organization who has authorized access to sensitive information and systems and who might misuse that access for malicious purposes. So that's why the correct answer for this question is insider threat. So I hope you are enjoying this video and this part has been completed. So study hard, good luck, and thanks for watching. I will upload next part shortly. Thanks for watching. Thank you.